Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed educators, concerned parents and fellow students, I stand before you today with a heavy heart to address an issue that has plagued our schools and communities. Tawuran Pelajar, or student brawls. This is a pressing concern that demands our collective attention and action, for it not only tarnishes our educational institutions but also jeopardizes the safety and well-being of our future generations. Before we delve into solutions, it's essential to comprehend the underlying reasons behind these brawls. In the first point, let's discuss the socio-economic factors, peer pressure, and personal issues that often drive our fellow students to engage in violent confrontations. These conflicts often stem from a sense of frustration, a need for identity, or misguided peer influence. We must empathize with our peers to address these deep-seated issues, rather than simply condemning their actions. Our educational institutions play a significant role in shaping young minds. In the second point, let's explore the responsibility of schools and communities in preventing student brawls. We must call for a holistic approach that includes conflict resolution programs, counseling services, and community involvement. Our schools should not only be places of learning, but also centers for personal development and conflict resolution. In the third point, we will emphasize the importance of unity among students, parents, teachers, and the community in addressing Tawuran Pelajar. We must remember that we are all in this together, and our collective efforts can bring about positive change. It's time to break the cycle of violence and create a safe and nurturing environment for every student. In closing, I implore you all to reflect upon the gravity of Tawuran Pelajar. We must work tirelessly to ensure that our schools are places of growth, not conflict. Remember, each of us can make a difference. Let us join hands, students, parents, teachers, and communities, to tackle this issue together, focusing on understanding the root causes, strengthening the role of our schools, and promoting unity. In the words of Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon we can use to change the world. By eradicating student brawls, we empower our youth to be the leaders of a brighter future. So, let us pledge today to put an end to Tawuran Pelajar and ensure that our schools become the sanctuaries of knowledge, empathy, and growth. Together, we can make it happen. Thank you.